hope you are doing great, and today I am going to show you that how you can create a modern logo in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. For this purpose, you have to select an elliptical tool and draw a small circle over the center of the artboard. Now make it unfill and give it a stroke, and I am giving it a gradient by creating on my own. The color that I have chosen for this purpose are red and orange, and you can see that I am deleting and giving it more color to add more effect on the stroke of the circle. You can choose it on your own. You can use blue color, purple color. Now what you have to do is make a copy of the circle and make it a little bigger and arrange it at the center of the artboard. Now for giving it more fun look, decrease its stroke so that it will look more visible along with the contrast of the circle present at the center. Now arrange both of the circle at the center so that it will have the balanced look. Go to object, make blend, give the specified steps to 5 and make the blend. So after that, draw a square over the top right corner of the circle in such a way that edges of the square touches the center of the circle. Now give it the fill, and now go to object and expand appearance so that all the part make it visible. Now select shape builder tool, press alt and shape builder tool. Now remove the extra part which is present over the square. So after that, you will see the lines present over the outlines of the square. You have to remove them as well. So for this purpose, select the whole shape and now give it a stroke so that it will be more visible and easier to remove them. You can see that the lines of the circle and square are intermingling with each other, so you have to remove them without disturbing the circle. So after that, remove the square, and now you have the half filled circular lines. So select them and make it a bigger. You can use pen tool, rectangular tool and pencil tool to create the line so that the circular line will have the fine touch. I have created a line with the help of rectangular tool and arrange it over the untouched lines of the circle. Now I will select it, duplicate it, means that I will make a copy of it and will paste it to the second circular line. I will do the same with the remaining untouched lines of the circle. In this way, the circle will have the fine look. It is giving like a horizontal line or the P shape. It is all about your imagination. And now I am setting it appropriately so that the two circles, circle and linear lines, will not look like fish out of the water. They should look like that they are the same. So after doing this, I will select the linear lines and group them to see whether they are aligned with each other or not. If they are not aligned, then I will align them as much as I can, just the way I am doing this right now. So after doing this, select all of these lines and group them all so that they won't be disturbed whenever we are in need of another line. So after this, select the circular lines. Now make a copy of it and reflect it right opposite to the previously existing circles. After this, select all of the shape. It is looking like a vintage CD. It's my imagination, by the way. I will select them, transform it horizontally so that the linear line will at the base of the shape and the two circular will at the top of the shape. After this, I will make a copy of it and will transform it horizontally again, and I will bring the newly existing shape at the bottom baseline of the previously existing shape, so that we will have the four circular line at the top corner of the shape, and the linear line will exist at the center of the shape. After this, I will select all of the shape and will give it a fine look by giving it a gradient, increasing its shape and experimenting with that how it will look more modern, stylish and meaningful. So after this, the modern and stylish logo is ready, and hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video, and if you are liking my video, then do support me by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. This is all for today. I will get back to you soon with another tutorial of the Illustrator. Bye bye.